It's melanin, baby.
Stand at attention, sell her to a queen. Them I feel lost when I step on the scene.
What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh my god, it sounds so weird. It sounds so weird coming out of my mouth right now, but guys, I promise you I'm back. Alright, so anyways, I know that I've been missing for a little while, but you know, life has been lifing. The 9 to 5 has also been 9 to 5ing, you know, a lot of things in the mix. That's why I couldn't even get a chance to do videos and stuff like that. But I realized that you guys miss me, you know. I get all the messages on Instagram. Persons who watch the videos on YouTube message me on Instagram asking me questions, and I'm like, you know, persons really out there actually need these videos. I look forward to these videos, so I think I'm just gonna come back, get them done, and think I have a lot of video ideas written down, because for the persons who see me in person, they ask me questions and they say, you know, I think you should do a video on this, I think you should do a video on that. Those are the type of people I like, because then you're telling me that you need this information, and I'm sure that you are not the only person out there that needs this information. So if I have this information, you know, I don't gatekeep stuff, so I'm gonna tell you guys how it goes. All right, so as you can see in the title down below, today's video will be talking about how to shop on Temu. That's the new place where everybody I talk about. It's right next to, well, I wouldn't say right next to it is like Shein. So a lot of persons are starting to shop on it. I myself started to shop on it. I tested out first and then I went all in. So I have some stuff here with me that I'm going to be showing you guys. Some of the packages are ready. I have one more and two. I have some things to show you guys. So let's get into this video. Why am I keep on playing with my hair? Yeah, stop. By the way, I did my hair. Well, you guys who have been here for a little while know that the girl is not a handicap. No 10 big fingers. So we did that over the weekend. Alright, so let's get into this video. Okay, so let's get into it. So normally, you know, when I tell you guys shopping online is normally easy, but these are the simple things that you need to set up in order for your packages to reach to the right places and for you to just, you know exactly what is going on with your packages at all time. So before we even get into this video, the first thing I want you to do is take out your phone, take out your device or what it is that you're gonna use. What I want you to do first is to click the link in the description down below to sign up for Temu. All right, sign up first and then we're gonna move in to the actual video. So once you click sign up, let me know. Anyways, clearly I'm not gonna sit down and wait until you click the sign up, right? But click the sign up link down in my description and then sign up for Temu. It's gonna ask you for your email address, a valid email address. If it is at your cell phone number, it asks you for a cell phone number, you should be able to put in your Jamaican number. That's fine. Just ensure that when you're signing up, the region is saying USA. The region has to be saying USA. All right, so and the next thing is you're gonna need a shipping company. And for those who already know, I'm gonna recommend my shipping company because I don't have a problem with my shipping company. I haven't found one, so I'm gonna keep recommending it to persons, right? So the shipping company that I use is Pellypack. That link is also in my description. They have pickup locations over the island, so you can sign up and see which pickup location is near you or easier for you, and then you can sign up. All right, so two things: you need a shipping company, and that shipping company also have an app. You can download the app as well. For persons who are new to my channel, I always recommend that you download the app for these websites as soon as you sign up, because the app tends to be more convenient and it, you know, gives you all the information. It gives you notifications and stuff like that, so just in case you forget to sign on the website, you actually have the information coming to your phone, if you get what I'm saying. All right, so those are the two things you need to do. You need to sign up on the website and you need to download the apps. Once you download the app or once you sign up on the website, the next thing you're gonna do is you're going to input the shipping company address. So you see why you need the shipping company, because the shipping company is this is the third party that you're gonna use to bring your packages to Jamaica, so you'll be able to pick them up. So the shipping company is very important, and you need to choose a reliable shipping company as well. So hence the reason why I'm telling you about Pelipack. All right, so you can check them out. Once you click the link for the Temu site in the description and you sign up for Temu, what you're gonna do is to also download the app, because Temu has an app. So you're gonna download the app. When you download the app, you're gonna go to address. The address, I'm gonna put it right here. You're gonna download the app and you're gonna click on the little person at the top, which is going to be you. It's going to be showing that this is your account now because you're basically signed up. Then you're going to enter your address. The address is going to come from the shipping company. The shipping company will provide you with an address. You're going to input the address right here. All right, so once you've done that, you input the address, you sign up. You don't need to worry about nothing else, you know. Really and truly, you don't need to worry about anything else until it's time to check out, because when you go through now Temu, you're gonna see the things that you want, then you're gonna click them, you're gonna add them to your cart, and then you're going to go to checkout. All right, they have different methods of checking out. I'm gonna put the screen right here. You should be seeing PayPal on it. It asks you for debit card, credit card. They have different type of payment methods you can choose from. Choose the one that is best suitable for you. Once you put in all of that information, you go through, you select what it is that you want. Ensure that the next thing that you need to look at, well, you need to ensure, because you know we live in the Caribbean, where I live in Jamaica, we have to deal with customs. So what you're gonna do is to ensure that each time you're checking out your cart, the retail cost of the items is $50 or less, because if you don't ensure this, customs is gonna look out for you. You understand? Okay, so now that we clear that part up, you're supposed to be good to go. It's like some easy steps right here. So first thing, we click the link, sign up on Temu. We're gonna download the Temu app. You're gonna put in your address in the Temu app, the address that you're gonna get from the shipping company, not your home address, you know. Yeah. Put the address that you get from the shipping company, and then when you select your items that you go through, you're gonna put add them to your cart. Each thing has add to cart. Please guys, read the reviews and read the description of the items. Don't buy something thinking that you're gonna get something when you didn't read the reviews to see what it is that you actually get. It could be showing you 3 items, but you only will be receiving 1. You need to look at all of those stuff as well. All right, so after that, it's pretty simple. You just click checkout and that's you're good to go. You can start your shopping experience right then and there. So it's that easy. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is to just show you some items that I got. I think the quality of their clothes, actually, so far from my experience, they're actually good. I started out purchasing some baby stuff because I'm actually pregnant right now, so I'm doing some shopping for the baby, right, to come. So I purchased some stuff on there. I tried out something first and then I went ahead after see the quality and stuff. I tried other stuff. So I'm gonna show you guys just a few other stuff that I purchased, and then, you know, from this you may know where you want to start purchasing, if it is that you want something that I purchased or whatever. I'll be listing the stuff in the description as well. So I'll be putting the links for all the stuff that I'm about to show you guys in the description down below. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by showing you guys these bags. Some stuff. I might not go through everything, but for whatever I show you guys, it will be linked in the description down below, because I low-key got a lot of stuff. Alright, so you see, and the next thing too guys, you see these bags, you see how them look kind of small-ish. A lot of things come in there, you know. I don't know how they do it, but I'm happy that they do it because, you know, we have to pay per pound down here for the packages, so that's good. They package the stuff really well. So firstly, this is the biggest thing that came out of this bag. Let me zip it up. About this bag, it's like, you know, a bag to bring stuff in so I can pack it and bring it with the baby stuff. So this is the first bag. The quality is so good. I'm gonna leave the description for the stuff, as I said before, in the description down below. So about this bag. So bag first. Oh, I bought some burp cloths as well. I bought a set. So I have the white. Listen, the material for these very good. So this is the one that you put over your shoulder when you're holding the baby and stuff. So I bought a set of that comes with 4. So I have 4 burp cloths already. This little pillow here for the crib, nice, and it's really soft. And yeah, I bought some outfits because we'll be outfitting. So this is the first one. This is like a onesie. It is so the material is top tier. I'm not even gonna lie. This one says, hey, ain't no daddy like the one I got. This is good. They have written stuff on them and stuff. So, and then it comes with a headband. Where me here? Pull up. I got some little rugs. These are some rugs. I didn't know they were gonna be so colorful, but we can do with a little color. Yeah. Some wraps. What about these wipes bag? It's something I can take the wipes out and put it in like the travel size. So it's 2 of them. Both of them came in this pack. So we have these to use, you know. I can put the wipes in there, put them in the bag, and we go on a road. Hello. One thing though, the bags are big, but look at this, look at the stuff. Them fold them properly. But I went into the bag first, so clearly this is like another outfit. I got it from my mama. That's really good. And then you have the little, so it's a really nice cute outfit. So we got that. And we're over here shopping. Guys, let me tell you, the first thing I purchased were these onesies. A white set of onesie. I think it comes with like 6. The material is like 100% cotton. I was very amazed with this material, so I had to go back and buy more. So that is it really. But now I'm going, because I bought a lot of little other trinkets. So bottom line, you guys should try out Temu. Alright, so they have amazing stuff. Just don't go all in all at once. What you can do is just to buy a few stuff first and try it, just like I did, because I'm not sure if everything that they have is of good quality. So I suggest that you try first before you go all in and purchase. But that's it for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and yes, I'll try to keep up. As I said, I have my notepad here with a lot of video ideas. Let me see how best I can, you know, use up my time and get these videos out so you guys can have them. Alright, so until next time guys, bye.